What if I tell you that you don't have to pay the monthly recurring fees for email marketing? What if I tell you that you can do all of your email marketing right from your WordPress dashboard? What if I tell you that you can send unlimited emails for lifetime for a very small one-time payment fees, and you can send unlimited emails to all of your subscribers for life without paying anything extra? This sounds too good to be true, but believe me, this is 100% real. I'm a blogger and an affiliate marketer. Earlier, I used to send my email campaigns through services like MailChimp, Aweber, and GetResponse. But the problem was that I have to pay the monthly recurring fees in order to send simple email newsletters. Besides that, I have to leave my WordPress dashboard, which was kind of a counterintuitive to me. So I realized that paying a monthly recurring fees was having a toll on my wallet. So I was looking for a tool which can help me send all my email campaigns right from my WordPress dashboard, because that's where I spend most of time creating and publishing posts for my readers. And then I researched online and finally I found the MailPoet Ultimate Newsletter plugin. This newsletter plugin allows you to send unlimited emails to all of your subscribers right from your dashboard. And unlike others with the MailPoet lifetime deal, all you have to do is just pay just single amount at one time and you can use it for life. Isn't that amazing? Besides that, you can create auto post notification for your latest post. You can send the auto notification for your latest products or your previous products and other popular products as well. I found this very useful and very pocket friendly. So if you are also a blogger, a WordPress website owner, or newbie affiliate marketer, then you must get the MailPoet. The lifetime deal for MailPoet is open just for a few days. So if you are interested to grab this amazing deal, click the link in the description and you can thank me later. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.